years, and they have done nothing to help us. And now when we succeeded in implementing Sharia law into our country, they want to recolonise us.
The British leaders say they wanted to help Somalis, but do Somalis even know who they are? I have got photos of David Cameron and William Hague, and I want to see how many people recognize them.
I don't know. Is it Tony Blair?
The Turkish Prime Minister?
George Bush?
Mulla Omar, the Taliban leader?
Yasser Arafat?
In fact, no one I met knew who they were. This is a sign of just how far apart these worlds are. And it's hard to see how they will come closer together if they won't even talk to each other.
David Cameron is Mulla Omar, that's the new